I'm back. I'm back with a bang.
We're just going to do one line at a time, then I'll animate and edit everything else in. There's no recession. Everybody can have what they want.
Please welcome Mattress Mick.
Is there an element of finally showing people there's more to Mattress Mick than maybe Mattress Mick, or what people assume Mattress
Yeah,
Mick
like
is?
I would consider myself a serious businessman.
Yeah.
I got into bother when the recession hit. Things went wrong. But I had to get going again. I had to survive, and I had to prove myself to myself as well as to the people who would have known me. And I think we achieved that. I think we showed, and I hope that it encourages other people who may be in the same situation as we were, to not to give up, to move on and to fight and to believe in yourself.
You should say it's all down to Paul Kelly. I'm the drive behind Mattress Mick.
Knowing that somebody's going to be there and catching some difficult times and some honest times, how did you find the process?
I found it strange to be in front of the camera rather than behind the camera. When Colin approached me to make a film, like, you know, I was going to be completely honest and open, because there's a lot of people in the same situation as I am. We're not just going to... I could easily give up, claim the social welfare and not do anything with my life, but I felt like it was better than that, and my story should be told. So I had to be completely 100% open in every circumstances and every situation within this film.
Mattress Mick has saved my life. When I'm up against it, I fight back. I don't give up.
Cool out, Mattress Mick in the house.
But my final thing would be, do either of you have a life philosophy lesson?
My one would be: the greatest souls are awakened out of suffering. The most impressive personalities endures many scars.
Excellent. How about yours
I
now?
can't do that
Can you
one.
live up to that?
No.
Yeah.
My words would be simply set a goal, believe in yourself and go for it, and don't give up.